If you're over 50 like I am and you're noticing that your concealer is looking patchy, dry, it's clinging to the skin underneath your eyes, I would just about bet you do not need a new concealer. It's probably one of these three things. The number one culprit that I see for patchy or dry concealer under our eyes is not enough hydration. We all use eye cream morning and night. But what happens is that eye cream absorbs. That's what it's supposed to do. When that eye cream absorbs, it's hydrating, it's nourishing your under eye. But then what is that concealer to do but to cling to all the dry patches? So I recommend an eye balm. I'm 58. When I started using eye balm about 2 years ago, oh my gosh, this made the biggest difference. So what I do is right before I apply concealer, I apply this balm and make sure that it's all over under my eye. You might be thinking, doesn't that balm make your under eye greasy? At 58, I still have very oily skin. It's so frustrating. So no, it does not make my under eye greasy. That eye cream absorbs. So then this balm just lays underneath my eyes and the concealer just glides right over it. I get smooth concealer all day long. Now I'm going to apply foundation. The number two reason that I see patchy under eye concealer is because too much product. So here's what I want to show you about applying my foundation. And everything that I'm using will be linked down in the description below. Now my foundation is on, but did you notice I left off foundation under and above my eyes? It makes no sense for us to apply foundation just to apply concealer over the top. So leave foundation out of the equation. Now I need to do something about the redness and the darkness around my eyes. So I'm going to apply color corrector, but I'm only going to apply it where I need it. Again, we don't want too much product. Adding too much concealer thinking that we need to cover everything is really going to make it super patchy because too much is just going to emphasize all of the texture and the things that we have on our mature skin. If you want to hear more about color corrector, you could watch this video here. And if you're looking at this and needing a few foundation tips, I will link a video of that at the end. So for me, I have darkness and a lot of redness above my eyes. So I'm saving this area for a brightening concealer. I'm only trying to use the products that I need where I need them. Foundation all over, not around my eyes. Color corrector only where I'm the darkest and the reddest. So now this is the only place I'm going to apply concealer. The third way that we're going to avoid having patchy under eye concealer is by avoiding over blending the product around our eyes. And here's how we're going to do that. First of all, I'm using a $5 concealer. I will have it linked, but if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, you have seen me use this before. This is how much I really believe that we don't need a brand new concealer. We don't need a more expensive concealer. We just need to follow some of these simple steps. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this concealer to the back of my hand. By adding it to the back of my hand and picking it up with a brush, I make sure that I'm not applying too much product. When you apply it right to the bottom of your eye, what choice do you have but to blend it in? This way, I can add what I need and then step back, blend it in, and you notice I'm tapping with my brush. I'm not swiping. When we apply concealer with our fingers, we're just smearing everything. We're just moving it around. That's definitely going to lead to patchy concealer. So I'm just tapping with a light hand, just tapping. If you need more, grab just a little bit more. I want to put just a little bit more right here. And I have a bonus tip for you in just a minute. See how much I have left? I would have added all of that underneath my eye. And by tapping this in with a brush, I just make sure that everything stays exactly where I put it. Here's one of my all-time favorite bonus tips for you. And again, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, you have seen this 100 times. If you apply the balm, that's the number one thing. After that, if you still think you applied too much product, this is how we get our concealer to look beautiful all day long and remove some of that excess. Take a setting spray. I'm just using the Milani Make It Last Original. And now I'm using a clean makeup sponge. And I'm just tapping. The setting spray sets my foundation and concealer in place. The makeup sponge picks up any excess foundation or concealer case I got just a little too heavy-handed. See that? It just picked up all of that extra makeup. I hope that was helpful. Most patchy concealer problems are not a concealer problem at all. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. My name's Dawn, and I just want to help women over 50 love wearing makeup again. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.